Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Let's take a look at 4 different situations where we use the word let in a sentence. Let. Before getting started, we need to be clear about the structure. The structure is let somebody do something. Let somebody do something. Here somebody is not I, it is me. It is not we, it is us. It is not he, it is him. So we use the object pronouns after the word let. Let him go. Alright? So where do we use this word? Situation number 1. Give permission. For example, please let them decide what they want to do. I don't usually let my students speak in their mother tongue in my class. Parents should not let their children use the mobile phone at all times. Let's move on to situation number 2. Let somebody know about something or know of something. For example, please let me know of the commencement date. Please let me know of the commencement date. Don't worry, I will let you know. Please don't let anyone know about this situation. Keep it a secret. That's how we use it. Situation number 3. Let us, shorten form let's. We can use let's when we make a suggestion. For example, let's have lunch. You know what it means. Let's go out. Let's go for a movie. Let's decide later. Let's talk about this later. Then the final one. Let me. We can use let me when we make a direct suggestion. It means I'm going to do that. For example, let me help you. Let me tell you something. Let me explain to you how to do this. So when we use this form, we don't usually expect a response from the listener. We don't wait for the response. We just do it directly. Those are the 4 situations. What is number 1? To give permission. Number 2, to inform. Number 3, to make a suggestion. Number 4 is like, I'm going to do this. I hope you are clear with this one. Have a good day.